makers, Melly here from AGF, and today I'm ready to sew up something new. With every new fabric collection from AGF, I create a fun quilt block video for you to add to your quilting resume. Today I'll be sewing up the Friendship Star Block, made with Virtuosa Fabrics by our talented designer Barry J. In her collections, I can always count on the yummiest painterly floral designs and artistic blenders. Makers, hop onto your sewing machines and let's get started. If you're new to our channel and love learning new quilting techniques, don't forget to subscribe below to watch more fun sewing tutorials like this one. Check out the description box below to find all the cutting requirements and step-by-step instructions. To create your border square unit, sew a 2 by 3.5 inch strip from fabric G to each side of your 3.5 inch square from fabric A. To create your top and bottom rows, sew a 2 inch square from fabric B to each side of 2 and 3.5 inch strips from fabric G. Sew these rows to the top and bottom of your piece. To create your corner triangle units, draw a diagonal line on the wrong side of the fabrics on all your 2 inch squares from fabric C and G. Lay your 2 by 3.5 inch strips from fabric C out as follows and place your 2 inch squares right sides together with the diagonal lines facing in. Sew on the line you drew and trim your seam allowance to 1/4 inch. Repeat the same process with your 2 and 3.5 inch strips from fabric D, with your remaining squares from fabric C and G. Sew on the line you drew and trim your seam allowance to 1/4 inch. Sew your double corner triangle strips together like this to create 4 chevron units. Make sure the points of your chevron units are facing out, and sew your single corner triangle strips to each side of each of your units like this. To create your corner units, sew your 2 by 23 inch strips from fabric B and E together at 1/4 inch. Press open and subcut 8 2 inch strip units. Rearrange your strip units to create 4 4-patch blocks. Rearrange your units into rows and sew your rows together matching up seams. Press your seams in alternating directions and sew your rows together. Your Friendship Star Block is complete. Make sure to share your quilt block creations made with AGF Fabrics on social media using the hashtag AGF Quilt Block Collection. Our Friendship Star Block is complete, and I think this block would be fantastic to set on point and to turn into a nice throw cushion. Or maybe I'll make a few extra blocks and make a throw-size quilt to snuggle up with. I'm so inspired to sew with more prints from Virtuosa Fabrics. And if you are too, make sure to check out our fabric project catalog. The link will be in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to share it with all your quilty friends. Until next time, happy sewing!